Most people don't realize how much of their personality is controlled by fear of judgment. They stay quiet when they want to speak, hide opinions to avoid criticism, and slowly become a version of themselves built around approval. Over time, this creates anxiety, overthinking, and emotional exhaustion. The strange part is that most people are too busy worrying about themselves to judge you as much as you imagine. Real confidence begins the moment you stop building your life around other people's opinions and start becoming honest about who you really are.